Hey everyone, this is Team Pepsi-Cola.Kulfi. Losing your seed phrases sucks, right? But what if I told you that you can now change that? We are proud to present our project ChainZap. Plan, protect, and pass. So meet the team, Nibanjan and Kaushik. Before we dive down, let's understand what's the problem. In crypto, losing access to your wallet means that your assets are now lost forever. There's no customer support, no recovery, and no way for your loved ones to inherit what you have built. And traditional wills don't really work for on-chain assets. There's no trustless, automated, or a global solution for passing on your digital legacy. Billions in digital assets are at risk due to forgotten keys or accidents. So, how did we solve it? We let you set up your will, stay in control of your will, and that too in a trustless and user-friendly way. You set up your will by securely depositing your APT tokens into a smart contract. You designate a recipient who can claim your assets if needed. You and only you can update your will or change the recipient. You can prove that you are active or alive by pinging the contract within your chosen timeout. And if you don't ping, your recipient can automatically claim your assets. It's 100% transparent, automated, and it's easy to manage and has a modern UI. So let's briefly discuss the architecture diagram and how it works. While creating a will, the user must add the recipient's address, the amount of money that they want to secure, and the time frame within which the recipient can claim the will. The owner also needs to add validators, for example 3 validators or 4 validators, who will sign the transaction to withdraw a certain amount of money on behalf of the owner if they're dead or have been inactive for a long period of time, and only after that the recipient can claim the stored amount. So here's the current workflow. Once the will has been created and the legacy is all set up, the user must ping the will within the selected time frame to confirm that it's still active. While the user clicks the ping function, the time frame of the will is restarted from that point. Essentially, the start point is now the current block timestamp. Now, assuming that the owner becomes inactive for the selected time frame, the validators can now initiate a voting process via the claim death function. Each validator must vote on whether the owner is dead or alive, and only when the entire group reaches a unanimous consensus, the claiming of the will proceeds. Even if one of the validator does not agree with the consensus, the funds will not be released. If all of the validators agree on the same outcome, a cooling period of 7 days will now begin. During this period, if the owner is actually alive, perhaps they were simply away on a hike and return to find that the released funds are about to be released, they can simply lock the funds to stop the release. If the owner does not intervene within this cooling period, the funds will be released to the recipient. We have implemented this with zero knowledge proof algorithms, so you can have a peace of mind whether you're inactive, away, or deceased. With this ZK proof security, your funds remain safe within the contract. We have considered all of the edge cases to make this system as foolproof as possible. So here are some of the future plans. We are working on developing a more secure and optimized ZK proof algorithms. We are also actively seeking investments to deploy this to the mainnet and transform this project into a scalable on-chain product. So here's ChainZap. We have shown some of the features of ChainZap, how it works in an easy way. We have also answered some of the questions of ChainZap. And that's it. With ChainZap, your future is in your hands and your legacy is on chain. Thanks for listening, guys.